September 2nd. And if you can see, I'm not at school. That's because I'm currently in Chuncheon Station. I am in the train to go to Yonsan Station, if I'm saying that correctly. Me and the other exchange students are going to Seoul for the weekends. But the thing is, I'm all alone because I was supposed to meet up a friend in Hongdae. And so that's why I booked the earlier ticket. But her plans changed, so I'm just gonna go there because I'm not gonna waste my ticket. I'm just gonna go there and explore Hongdae by myself because I wanted to go there anyways. So yeah, I'll let you guys know what happened later. But yes, I'm all alone. I'm not used to this. So I hope I don't get lost. But oh well, I can just like taxi to our hotel, I guess. But yeah.
QR code tickets at the gate with a scanner when you get off the train.
I'm so hungry. I need food. I'm done at the cafe. I'm just gonna go walk around before the others arrive, and I don't know where I'm going yet. I think I want to stop by Myeongdong too, but I'm not sure, or I may just continue to walk around here in Hongdae. But yeah, that cafe was so nice. Way to go to the guest house, so we're just walking there, but Kakao Map says it's gonna take 12 minutes. I feel like it'll be a shorter walk, but we'll see. Do we want to take these ones?
I see that this one doesn't have it. Have what? A charger?
What's in this one?
I can charge here. But this one hasn't. These all do have one.
Well, this one has a bigger one. Although you can probably charge this one and this one. sweet balls.
West the bank.
감사합니다.
in the summer. Stayed there for 3 weeks where we learned to love each other. Wrote you a letter, sent a message to the captain. Skip to the present, haven't been so happy ever.
It's like sesame ice cream.
I was worried for a bit there.
Do you guys want to try?
Yes. Don't fall, please. It has black sesame seeds with red beans. They have cool noodle soup if anyone wants something to cool themselves. It's really good.
I think I want something warm.
I'm not sure. I think the breast might be warm. Oh, it says cold anyway.
Okay.
Wait, let me just turn it. Oh, this is what I want. Homemade dumplings, mandu.
Kimchi dumpling.
It has meat and it looks like this one has kimchi, the red one.
I think I want the kimchi.
I think it's both. So maybe, yeah, we'll see. We'll order and then maybe we'll. And what do you think? One more? What do you want? You want something warm?
No, that one is also fine. Where's it? I wish we had more than 1 hour so we could actually sit down.
I can't believe that you waited so long. Watching you sit there with our best friends at the wedding.
I like them both.
Look, the kimchi was better.
I think for me the meat is better. The kimchi is really good. Okay,
This one is really good.
There's a lot of flavor. Octopus too. Can I?
It's alright. I've tasted this before, so I know what to expect.
Do you like it?